Over the years, this thermostat has gotten dirty over just people touching it and bugs crawling on it and just general use. So just a rag with a little bit of soapy water works just as well. It is really just like all the other cleaners. Just rub it a little bit, put some pressure on there, just work it, and then those will slowly just go away. And if you need more water or soap, just add it on. Now we'll just add a little bit more soap and a little bit more water. You can try all kinds of cleaners like bleach or ammonia. Just make sure you don't mix those two or else it'll create a poisonous gas. But it just seems like soapy water really just works just as well as everything else, and it's safe and it's super easy to get. And you can see just how much cleaner this is now, and then you can wipe off all the water with like a paper towel. You can use the same method to clean light switch covers or even the walls around it just to get everything nice and clean. But you don't want to have too much water, and then it'll get into the light switch. You can see just with a rag now we're wiping off all that other dirt, and it sure does look a lot cleaner. And you can kind of see here, whenever we were cleaning it, we got the wall wet, and you can just see how dirty the wall is. So we're just gonna kind of scrub down some of these dirty areas and clean it up. And as you can tell, it's just soap and water works really well on cleaning this wall. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on fancy cleaners to get it done. On the edge of the door, you can tell just by use it's been getting pretty dirty, so we need to clean this. Whenever you're scrubbing wood, you normally can only go in one direction, because if you go down, it'll fill your rag with splinters. So just go up like that and start cleaning the door. And just right here, you can see the difference with that soapy water made on the wood. It looks a lot nicer. You can see these white metal doors really get dirty, and it shows up a lot. So this soapy water just wipes that right off the metal. Here, this is definitely looking quite a lot cleaner, especially right next to this other door. We'll definitely have to clean that as well. That soapy water did a great job. Here you can see the difference between this one, which I just cleaned, and this one here. So we just have the rag with a little bit of soapy water on these handles of these wooden chairs where people's hands are. And if you just scrub it, you can just watch it just disappear. So as you can see, just with water and soap, it can clean just about anything you'll need for house cleaning. You don't need to buy those fancy chemicals. So hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.